Well, hello, model car fans. Welcome to the Muscle Car Modeler. My name is Ral, and here I'm just playing around with my 70 Javelin Funny Car, which you've kind of seen this one. It's been off and on my desk, and I play with it a little bit here and there as I'd like to get it done, but it's just very fragile, and I just keep playing with it and trying to decide exactly how I want it to look. So, here's a couple of pictures of what it looked like to start with to refresh some of your guys' memory that may have seen those episodes, and it hasn't been on my desk for a while. So, but here's where I'm at now. You know, I've broken this a couple of times, but this pillar's been repaired a few times, and I'm trying to be very careful of it. But I glued a hood in place. Another one had a hole in it, which I've got all puttied up here. And I started to go around, and I'm filling in all the dips and divots and things in there, and shave the handles and the thing, because this is going to be a fiberglass funny car body, so it's not going to have any door jams, none of this stuff. Decided I was going to keep the hood scoop on it. I'm going to put the wing on it, but I'm getting rid of all the trunk lines first, and then this will get glued on, cleaned up and glued on, and I got to fill in some of the bodywork on that, so that's going to go on it. So, and that came from another one of them, resin rear bumper, and it doesn't quite fit at the moment because I got putty in some of the spots. But also with the rear bumper, I made a taillight blank because, being a funny car, it doesn't really have taillights or need to have taillights. But there's a blank to fill it in, so I could paint them red. Or I do have a set of lenses right here too that I stripped the paint on, because Johan painted their lenses. They molded them and cleared and painted them. So I stripped them. So I have both options to do it that way. And then I've been modifying the front bumper to make it a bit more like an actual funny car, where I filled in the license plate hole, filled in the grill. Headlights I haven't done anything with yet. I'll probably make little plugs to cover them. But this part is fitting, so I got some more sanding to do. So there'll be some updates to this video. So hopefully by the end of this video, I'll have this thing in primer. But right now I just got all of the jams filled in and sealed. I want to show it to you. There's a plastic plug there. Now I filled in the underside of the hood with a piece of styrene to get rid of the detail, and same thing with the back of the thing. So the inside of this, I'm going to paint it to all either silver or black, just blacking it out, because, again, it's supposed to be a fiberglass body resting on a funny car, so not a real steel body kind of thing. So that's what's going on here. I'm going to take it outside, start sanding on it, and keep updating this video. Alright guys, here's as far as I got yesterday with it. So working back to front here, so filled in all these lines here. It's got a couple areas to get a little bit smoother than here. Started working on this side, but I got the pillars, the roof, all back here, and this whole side. Just got a couple little areas that didn't quite get, but they'll clean up. And, work on the front here. So we'll finish that up today. We'll see how that goes. And did a little bit on this too. So this is all smooth and ready for primer. So these parts will get primer on it. And then, by the way, I forgot to mention, that's to me a polyester putty. That's what I'm using here. Can't find it in the States. I usually order it out of Japan, and it takes a while to get here, but it also doesn't seem to age very well. So this I purchased a couple years ago, and the hardener and stuff seems to just go bad whether you use it or not. Anyway, that's what I'm working on here, so we'll continue on this. I'll go outside and continue my sanding and get some primer on it. Okay, well, here's that round of sanding, and she's looking really good. I just got to let it dry a little bit, and then I'll get some primer on her. So we'll see how she looks, but give myself a little bit of rest and get this thing primed up and everything. And I got another one to put some primer on too, so I got a couple to do, so we'll get back and see how this thing looks here in a minute. Well, here are the results of all that sanding and priming and getting her ready, and I'm extremely happy with her. Still got some sanding and some fine tuning and everything, but this really gives me the shape and the look that I'm going for. Trying to get it to look like one piece fiberglass body and leaving some of the moldings on it. So having the windshield molding on there, the rear window, and this roof moldings, so I can bare metal foil those. And whether or not I, keep a rear window in it or not, and a windshield, because the engine's inside it. So lots of fun there. But I really like, how that hood with no vents and no lines went. And so the front of this is going to be red. The rear of it's going to be black and white in the middle. So, or black. Did I say black? Blue. So blue, white, and red. The way the funny car looked originally. And the decals. But and then paint the inside. But I like the way this thing is looking here. Then the front bumper. Smoothing it all out makes it look sinister. Actually makes me think of Optimus Prime here. So pretty slimmed out here. Or any one of the Autobots. But anyway. So I like the way that's coming out. Whether or not I actually add a little bit of spoiler to it, because the first ones really didn't have a spoiler there. But the rear, there we go with the spoiler on the rear. That's going to look good. And I got a couple little dimples I still got to fill in. I didn't do any body work to this yet, so got some body work to this to do. And there's a couple little areas on this, but all in all, she's where she needs to be. Here we go. Get that rear bumper and taillights in there. There we go. Definitely 70 Javelin when you look at that. I really like that front. This is going to be painted silver, so it's not going to be chrome. And then the grill is going to be blacked out. Maybe have Javelin script in the middle of it. Not really sure what I have available for that. We will see. Get that off. And then cleaning up and painting the whole inside of this. So definitely got some more paint to run through this thing. And get her cleared and get the rest of her built. Anyways, there we go. I should probably stop oogling over this thing and let this paint dry a little bit more before I start sanding on it some more. And get this thing painted, and we'll see how she looks in the next so many weeks. But there she is. A lot of the body work done now. Final shape starting to show up. Here's if the rear taillights are blocked off, so that's what that would look like. One of them I've seen, it had silver in there instead of the actual taillights. It's like they either removed the lenses and you can still see the reflectors. It was kind of weird. I don't know if I'd go that far. But this one is just going to be painted. It's supposed to be a fiberglass copy of the whole thing. Anyways, you guys, we'll stop right there and we'll continue on. Get some more work done to it and some progress to it. But just playing with this weekend and showing you guys what's going on with it. So thank you for tuning in, subscribing, and your comments and everything. I really do appreciate it, you guys. And you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time.